Hello everyone, in this video we're going to look into the opinion essays in the IELTS academic writing section. Now let us look into the description. In IELTS writing task for opinion or agree-disagree essays, candidates are prompted with a statement or question. They are required to present a clear stance, either agreeing or disagreeing with the given topic. The task demands a structured essay format where individuals support their opinions with reasoning, examples, and possibly counter-arguments. The aim is to articulate thoughts coherently within an introduction, body paragraphs with supporting arguments, and a conclusion that reaffirms the stated viewpoint. Now let us look at the general structure for opinion essays. The general structure, the introduction, will be the first part. Here you need to paraphrase the given statement or question and state your position, whether you agree or disagree, and outline your main points. The next paragraphs will be your body paragraphs. Here in paragraph 1, you will either agree or disagree point 1 and you will present your first reason or argument supporting your opinion. Support it with examples, explanations, or evidence. And you can use linking words or phrases to connect your ideas logically. In the body paragraph 2, you will agree or disagree with point 2. Introduce your second reason or argument supporting your opinion. Provide examples or evidence to strengthen your point. Maintain coherence and relevance throughout the paragraph. So these are some of the points which you need to keep in mind when it comes to body paragraph 1 and paragraph 2. Now let us go on to the next paragraph, that is counter argument. This is optional. Now here you need to acknowledge the opposing viewpoint if applicable and refute the opposing argument or explain why your position is stronger. And lastly, the conclusion. In the last paragraph, that is conclusion, you need to summarize your main points and restate your opinion or viewpoint. So with this, the task 2 opinion essay is winded up. Also, to let you know that we do provide you with online and offline classes if you wish to consult us in relation to IELTS classes. Yes, please, you can contact us or WhatsApp us on the above given numbers. Now let us look at one example. The prompt question is, some people believe that children should be given chores to do at home. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Now let us look into this particular example as to how you will go about writing an essay. So in the introduction, let's see what we can formulate. In today's society, opinions differ regarding the involvement of children in household chores. While some argue that assigning tasks to children at home is beneficial, I firmly believe that such responsibilities can contribute significantly to their personal development. In body paragraph 1, you can say that assigning chores instills a sense of responsibility and discipline in children. For instance, when children are tasked with specific duties such as tidying their rooms or helping with meal preparations, they learn the value of accountability and time management. This responsibility helps them to grow into more disciplined individuals who can balance tasks efficiently, a skill vital for their future endeavors. Now going ahead, in body paragraph 2, you can write, moreover, involving children in household chores equips them with essential life skills. When engaged in tasks like laundry, cleaning, children develop practical abilities that are crucial for their independence later in life. These skills not only benefit them in managing their personal space but also prepare them for adulthood by fostering self reliance and adaptability. In the next paragraph, which is your counter argument, this is optional. Some might argue that assigning chores can overwhelm children or interfere with their studies. However, when chores are allocated appropriately according to their age and capabilities, they serve as a manageable addition to their routine, teaching them the importance of balancing responsibilities without compromising their education. And lastly, in the conclusion, you can state that, in conclusion, while some may oppose the idea of burdening children with household chores, I am convinced that such tasks offer valuable lessons and contribute significantly to their growth. By shouldering these responsibilities, children not only learn essential life skills but also develop qualities that pave the way for their future success. So, this winds up the opinion essays. I hope you found this video helpful. In case yes, please hit the like button. In order to receive more updates on these type of information, please hit the like button, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much.